So Elevate Dairy is a unique opportunity for innovators to enter the Victorian and Australian market in a way that gives you the support that you need to enter and access farmers. Whether it's from help connecting with the right kind of farming communities, being in front of farmer groups, connecting with distributors or veterinarians or accountants, no matter what your solution is, we can help you bring and build the network that can help you access the market and expand with your product into Australia. The program not only provides you with the information and answers to all the questions that you might have about dairy farming in Victoria, but it also provides practical support. Support to come to Australia and participate in a roadshow, support to understand how does my product fit the market here, or even support to demo your technology to farmers and interact with farmers about your innovation.